Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michael Futures. I'm on TradingView, the Bitcoin 1 minute chart, and I got a live trade going on. I am in a long position. I got the signal here, I believe on the X trend. I just did a one for one risk to reward ratio trade, and it could go either way. The Elliott waves are actually going down, and the future forecast, the echo indicator, is going up. And we are a couple dollars in profit, not a lot. We did get across on the MACD down here a few times, and that's when I made the trade. All these signals did go off, but they went back and forth, which means I probably should have took profit. I was close to $100, but I didn't hit my take profit range. This is a small time frame. It's not a big time frame. All my alarms are set for 15 minutes or to an hour, not on the 1 minute. This is probably just considered a scalp trade. But I'm still using the same indicators. They're just not as accurate on the smaller time frames. Which is, I'm using the MACD. I'm using the do-it-yourself trading strategy. I'm using the machine learning indicator. I'm using your 200 daily moving average. I'm using Elliott waves. I even throw chart patterns on there. Where are they at? I don't see them at the moment. But I do use chart patterns. I use trend reversal signals. Oh, here there's chart patterns. I see them now. Something was in the way on there. Yeah, so I even use the chart patterns. I use a lot of stuff. Yeah, but so this the trade is positive. We'll just let it go for a little bit, see what's going on with Bitcoin. I'll keep an eye on the indicator here. It's still positive, as you guys can see. We're still in the green. What I actually like about Bitcoin long term is we did get across down here on the MACD on the monthly, and on the machine learning it did go green here. Doesn't mean it can't go back down to these areas, but it makes me feel good when we got this cross here on the monthly. We broke the volume on the moving day average. You can see here, which I like this. The monthly makes me feel good. We broke through the volume. We had to cross here. We flipped some important indicators, but it doesn't mean we can't always go back down. But that's a good level. The daily still have strong support down here. You can see a target at 49. You could also see it down at 35. If we hit either one of those, it's fine. You know what I mean? It's Bitcoin. We're going to move. There's liquidity down here. It wouldn't be unheard of if we tested 200. If that's, we have the Elliott waves here and some patterns here, all of this, a bunch of cum fluxes here. This is a possible range of liquidity area. We could pick it up and go back up. You know, right here is a big range Let me draw it for you guys just so you can see it. We have the 200. We have a target range. We have the Elliott waves. We have liquidity. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have like 5 pieces of liquidity of confluences in here. Trade them in is positive. You can see the zone I drove down here. I drew it down here. Those people like when I I'm gonna close this position. I just closed that and took profit. So what do you guys think? Liquidity down here. What this range? What 36,000, 37. Price target high 47. Price target 47. High, low 37. What else is going on in the markets besides Bitcoin? You got the top gainers, the new listings, the DeFi. Here's all the top gainers. Here's all the new listings for the days. These are all the DeFi projects. Promotions, referrals, learn to earn, Web3, markets, how to buy crypto. These are all the bots that I was doing. Crazy amount of bots. On Visual Studio Code, I was making tons of bots. I really need to organize all this stuff. I need to get organized. But I have tons of bots. Too, if you guys are into coding. All the data, backtesting. ChatGPT was using actually just try to help me get organized. I was actually asking, how can you help me save and organize my strategies so I don't clutter up all my screens? And it gave me some recommendations of things to do. Which is kind of where I'm at right now. I have so many strategies. If you look at this, like on this screen, I have so many strategies and I have to save them because I need to make more. But I don't want to lose these ones, so I'm trying to organize all these. Like I've done all the work now. It's like I need to save them and move on. So it's like with my robots and my strategies. I've made so many strategies and so many robots now. I'm cluttered up. I need to start like saving them and making new ones and moving on and getting organized and that kind of stuff. And like I was actually using ChatGPT to give me ideas of how to organize all my strategies and all my folders and all my files. So using it for here. And with all these, I need to organize. All these technically should be their own file because these are all bots. And I should use these separately. Like I have way too many on one folder. So it's just like organizing now. Then I put everything on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like I go on to YouTube. Then I just put everything on YouTube. You can see here. Then I just make my videos. I put them on YouTube in the studio. I use ChatGPT for like the titles. Like it'll help me with titles and different things like that. Then I'm in Discord. I'm on all different servers for like NFT projects. And that's it. So I make my little videos. I do my coding, my technical analysis. I got my NFT projects. I'm on Discord. I'm on OpenSea. If you guys ever want to give me a like, share, follow, I'm on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I'm trying to make content, trying to use AI and keep up with all the with everything going on out there. It's a lot. That's a lot. But I do make some good strategies. I took profit on that trade too. So you guys see me take a little profit, which was cool. And we will end it on that note. Let me see. Let me go over the sidebars over here. You guys see all the technicals. The news is there's a lot more millionaires because of Bitcoin. So that's not bad news. That's the news. 90,000 more millionaires thanks to Bitcoin. So there's your news for the day. All right, everybody. See you soon.